Hey, what's up guys? So this is Dimitri with Jeep Gear. Today we're working on a 2012 Volkswagen Passat. So the issue is a p0106 code. It's a misfire code. It basically pushes oil through the intake and plugs up falls up some of the spark plugs. So let's check it out. So the main cause of the problem was this PCV valve right here. So this one in particular, we already had it replaced. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just pop the side tabs open, comes off. It will break, so but you can have a new one. Costs like 29 bucks. So this one had a small rip on the side right there, if you can tell. So it was bypassing some of the vacuum and causing some of the oil get trapped, go down into the intake, or get like a blow by, whatever you call it. Anyways, so on this particular car, it affected the cylinder number 2, where it was gunking up the second plug basically. It's kind of nasty. But when we pulled it out, it kind of had some fresh oil on it as well. It wasn't just too much where you would, there's valves leaking or anything like that, but you could see that there has been some majority of it coming in through there. The rest of them looked fine. So the guys went to get the new plugs right now. So we'll put new plugs in, see how she runs, and if she still continues having a misfire in cylinder number 2 after that, and then we'll just kind of focus on to coil, see if we can test those guys. But yeah, also then we'll be taking apart this assembly right here, the throttle body, to clean up that sensor down there. If you can tell, that guy, where there's like an air meter or AIC or whatever they call it. I think that's what it is. So the whole thing, 4 torque bolts right here on the bottom and top will have to come off on the sensor, and then just clean it up with a carb cleaner or something that's electronic safe. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, and have a great day.